Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you are new here, please go ahead and subscribe. And if you would, please like this video. We are going to go ahead and get started. I'm going to be starting here in my kitchen with loading up the dishwasher and cleaning off any dishes that I could not put in the dishwasher. Over here to the counters and just kind of start cleaning them off, and then we're going to go in with the Clorox wipes and just wipe them down to disinfect. I am just going in and moving our clean laundry. Our washer and dryer is right there in the kitchen in that little closet. And then we are also going in and washing all of our sheets and our comforters. I'm trying to get everything washed while we are at home, and we have the opportunity to do that. Here we're going into my dining room area. This room is really messy. My daughter likes to sit here and color and do crafts and just make all kinds of things with random pieces of paper and tape. This is also where she snacks and eats her meals. And also all of these little white pieces of foam on the floor is just packaging foam that my daughter decided to tear apart. So we have been cleaning this for days.
Out in the unknown, story took its toll. Thought I would have grown.
I wanted to go ahead and move all these chairs back and wipe them off and disinfect them. Just with everything going on right now, we just want to make sure we are disinfecting and wiping things down that we wouldn't usually wipe down.
What do we do to love? What do we do to love? What do we do to love when everything's said and done?
Guys, please also just ignore my outfit. at home when I have nothing to do but just clean and hang out with my family. I do not dress up, and so this is just what I wear on the daily when I'm at home and just cleaning and in my comfy clothes. But I am going in right here, and this is where I'm just going to kind of spot clean the chairs and just get any crumbs or dirt off of the chairs. And then after that, I'm going to go in with a spray on the back of the chairs and wipe them down. And then I'm going to also go in with Lysol and just spray it all off.
What do you do to love? What do you do to love? What do you do to love? When everything's said and done.
I do plan on refinishing this table and these chairs soon, so stay tuned for that video. It should be up within the next couple of weeks or months, just depending on when we have time to get to that.
Everything's said and done. What do we do to love? I could be wrapped around your arms instead of being lonely. We could be gazing at the stars, but now it feels just like I wandered off into a room and closed the door behind me. I never gave the key to you, even though I wanted to. I should be trying something new, but now my body's aching. I'm tired of dwelling in the dark, it's just that my heart can't take it. I didn't know what it would cost me when I let you go. I feel alone, and I'm just singing, It should have been you. Another time, another place, I just know. It could have been you. What a crime and what a shame to let go. Sometimes I just don't know what to do. It should have been you. I could be driving to your place, but now the ground is shaking. Could be a phase, but it feels like it will never go away until we make up. I can't be myself. I never knew how much I needed you. It should have been you. Another time, another place, I just know. It could have been you. What a crime and what a shame to let you go. Sometimes I just don't know what to do, 'cause it should have been you. It should have been you. I could be wrapped around your arms instead of being lonely. It should have been you. Another time, another place, I just know. You could have been the one who made me feel home. What a crime and what a shame to let go. Ooh, it should have been you. Another time, another place, I just know. You could have been the one who made.
After mopping and vacuuming everything up, I'm just going to move in here to our living room. Excuse the couch. We have all the cushions off right now because my daughter was playing on them and building a fort with them, and we're stuck at home for 3 weeks, so I'm just letting her have fun and do what she wants to do. And I also have a huge pile of clean laundry on the couch that I plan on getting to later after she goes to sleep. Right now my main focus is just washing everything and putting it in a pile so that I get it at least all washed. Then I'm going to go in here and just kind of straighten everything up, vacuum, spray everything off, disinfect, and then spray everything with the Lysol spray.
It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Try drive a faster car. Lay my troubles to rest, blow the smoke through my cigarette. City lights looking fine, and I know this is my time now. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. I wanna drive a faster car. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me.
You're calling, I'm falling. Don't know what it is you do to me, yeah.
Next, I'm just going to go in here and clean the bathroom, disinfect the bathtub first with the Clorox, the tile legs, and then after that I'm going to go in and just wipe off the counter and disinfect the toilet.
I have done a billion mistakes before. Maybe I am going crazy. Say you feel the same now that we dancing. I'm taking my chances. I'm going like 1, 2, 3, 4. Looking at you when you're on the floor. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ready for that heartbreak? I'm going like 1, 2, 3, 4. Looking at you when you're on the floor. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ready for that heartbreak? I missed you. Give me that kiss now. I just wanna hold you close to me. I really like you. Do you like me? Don't you wanna see what this could be? I am ready for that heartbreak. That's usually how it goes. I have done a billion mistakes before. Maybe I am going crazy. Say you feel the same now that we dancing. I'm taking my chances. I'm going like 1, 2, 3, 4. Looking at you when you're on the floor. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ready for that heartbreak? I'm going like 1, 2, 3, 4. Looking at you when you're on the floor. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ready for that heartbreak? Yeah, yeah. Ooh, baby, I am ready for that heartbreak. Yeah, yeah. Ooh, baby, I am ready for that heartbreak. Heartbreak, heartbreak, heartbreak. Where you go, I follow. Let's go out and dance the night away. I am ready for that heartbreak. That's usually how it goes. I have done a billion mistakes before. Maybe I am going crazy. Say you feel the same now that we dancing. I'm taking my chances.
that is it, you guys. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.